a chef of cooking culinary arts. I'm doing a demonstration and a presentation on how to make homemade pizza. I will start by giving you the ingredients, which is 4 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and I shifted it, which is a device that allows you to shift the flour to make it very thin. You make all of it at one time. Then you pour it into the mixer. You put the mixer down, you lock it. This here is yeast mixed with water. I took 2 ounces of water, warm water, and I added 1 tablespoon of yeast until it dissolved. When I turn it on, you put the mixer on 2. You pour it in. You also have 6 ounces of cool water where you want to pour it in to make the dough. It takes 5 minutes for the dough to incorporate. Once it incorporates, it makes a dough. If you can come over here, you can see how the dough is forming. It is starting to come off the walls, and it's allowing it to form a cream type filling. Once you do that, if there's any left over on the sides and it starts to get soft, then you want to just incorporate a little bit more so that the sides can come off and go back into a dough form. If you can see how it's starting to collaborate and come off the sides of the bowl, just so that it can go into a ball. Okay, once that portion of it is done, I've already started on another dough. You then take some olive oil, which you can see that's pouring on the sides of these, and you take this type of brush here and you rub the sides of the bowl. Then you sit it on this nice warm surface. Take a towel, just like this one, put it over it for an hour until it doubles in size, which this in fact has already doubled in size. So now I'm going to show you how to incorporate it in the style of making sure that it comes out for you to make the pizza itself. Now you can make any shape of pizza that you want. I chose this one because my children like how it is for you to have a large pizza. Now, because pizza is known to have air pockets in it, what you do is you take a fork and In this case, dry the fork off because it's in the dishwasher. And you poke holes all in your dough. This takes the air pockets out of it. Then you make sure that you get the piece of sauce. You get the piece of sauce. This is an excellent sauce to have for pizza. You open it up. You pour it on. Some people go with a sauce item. Me, sometimes I just roll it around if I don't have something to put it on. But in this case I do. I have a spatula that you can slide it on faster and easier for you to get on and get the sauce in every direction. Okay. Makes it a lot easier for you to have sauce with every bite that you have. Then you want to take the cheese, as much cheese as you want. I like a lot of cheese on my pizza. This is a good type of cheese. This is Viennetta shredded mozzarella cheese. It comes up and makes the cheese very gooey and a nice texture for us chefs to be able to use. In this case, I'm just doing a basic cheese pizza because my children mostly like cheese pizzas. Then you want to take it at the temperature is 400 degrees. All right. So you want to take it, put it at 400 degrees, put it in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Always put it on 14, and you want to make sure that once it comes out, some people like it the cheese darker, and others they like it light. So if you keep checking on it, you can see when it's done. And this is how you make a homemade pizza. You have a nice day.